Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp on Android. So to start, open the Google Play Store and type WhatsApp Messenger into the search bar. Select the app and click on install. Wait for the download and installation process to complete. Once downloaded, click on the WhatsApp icon. To open the app, they will prompt you to choose a language. Select English and click the arrow in the bottom right corner. Next, click on agree and continue. WhatsApp will ask for your phone number. Enter it and click next. Wait for the OTP and enter it. Once you receive it, verification is now complete. You can now enter your profile information such as your name and profile picture. Click next and your WhatsApp account is ready to use. To access additional settings, click on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings, and here you can adjust your account and privacy settings, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.